Hello everyone, I'm Rick Clark and I'm here with news that there is some real and solid action we can all take to help reverse the damage done by global climate change. La Reserva Forest Foundation is planting thousands of trees in Costa Rica, home to some of the Earth's essential oxygen-producing forests. La Reserva is reforesting old pasture lands. They're working to turn grasslands back into their original state of biologically diverse forest. And you can become part of this important effort. You can sponsor a tree or a section of rainforest right now from your computer. In its lifetime, a single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide. It will also produce oxygen, provide habitat for birds, monkeys and other jungle creatures. One tree at a time, we can make a difference. Contact the website as soon as possible to find out what you can do to help La Reserva keep planting.